Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys a tour of the apartment that we got here in Canada, and as I said, I'm going to bring you guys along for the journey. So in the first clip of this video, I'll show you guys the empty apartment, like a quick run through, and then all of the stuff that we bought, and then the grand reveal of the apartment. Also going to show you the gym that is in our apartment building as well. And in the next video after this one, I'm going to talk about how to immigrate to Canada, because a few people have asked me what the process was like and how we actually got to Canada. So I'm going to do a video on that because I can't answer everybody individually. So I'm going to do a video on that, so tune in, subscribe so that you can see that video if you're interested. Like this video, comment, share, and enjoy. Welcome to our apartment. As you enter, you can see a clear view of the living room. To the left of us, it's the laundry room. As you can see, we bought this stand to put our stuff, laundry detergent, iron, and so on. And this laundry basket, wash, dry, fold, repeat. Boom. We also have our broom and stuff in here. To the right of us is the closet for our coats. There you go. We also put our luggage in there because like that's the only place we could find to put it. Then we have our little nook. Have our photo up here. There's my mommy. And I also have some other photos that we have to hang up. And we installed this key holders right here. Boom. All right, let's move along. Okay, here we walk in. And here is the kitchen. The apartment came with the appliances, the fridge, the microwave, the stove. Here's our first picture on the fridge. I got the kettle and the toaster to match our appliances. Stainless steel and black. And the garbage bin matches as well. And here we are, double sinks, more storage, and the dishwasher we're not gonna be using. And here's the bathroom. I got all of this to put my makeup brushes, all my skincare products here. Okay, this is mine, this is mine, this is mine, and I left this one for Sean. He doesn't mind. Men don't have a lot of stuff. I also gave him this little basket to put his stuff. And then we bought this to put our towels, soaps, toilet paper, and so on. And let's not forget our mirror lights. Boom. Then we have the living room. We haven't gotten our sofa yet, but that'll come in time. And our chairs that we mounted. I showed you a piece of the video for that. Our 2 bar stools. So this is where we're eating. This is where we're eating our breakfast, and where we're also watching TV. That's why our TV is turned this way. The TV and the TV stand here. And this grill which came with the apartment. We're supposed to put outside, but it's too cold. Too cold. And then we have the bedroom. Look at this view. Look at this. Look at this. And from the bedroom, we have this bundle into the walk-through closet. Inside, and there's our little cabinets that we have mounted. And my side, and that is cabinets I mounted. Okay. And when we walk through this door, it's also to the bathroom again. So that's it. This is our apartment. We love it. Love it so far. So this is the gym in our apartment. This is where I'm gonna be working on that wedding body. Can come here at any time. It's open 24/7, which is great.